Hello students, now in this video I will show you how to insert pictures in your PowerPoint presentation. Like in the last video I had shown you how to create a presentation on benefits of yoga. Now in this video I will show you how to insert pictures to make your presentation more informative and more attractive. Okay, so for first make sure that you have those pictures downloaded on your laptop or system or in your mobile phone which you want to use. Suppose you want to insert some pictures of yoga, then first download those pictures from Google, keep it in a location like desktop or any folder, so it will be easy for you to insert any picture. आप सिर्फ वही पिक्चर इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं जो आपके सिस्टम में सेव है. ओके, so for inserting picture, we will go to the Insert tab. After that, we will click on Pictures. So this presentation is on yoga, so I will insert a picture related to yoga. I had already downloaded some pictures in the desktop. Let's click on desktop, and here the pictures are showing. Let's insert this picture. Click on the picture and click on Insert tab. Now the picture is inserted, but it is covering my heading. जो मैंने benefits of yoga लिखा है ये उसके ऊपर आ रहा है. So yes, we can adjust the location and size of the picture as well. Let's decrease the size of this picture by using this point at the bottom right corner. You can see two arrows. Click it and drag it. You can increase the size. If you want to increase the size, move your mouse towards the right direction. If you want to reduce the size, move the mouse towards the left direction and then leave. After that, you can see these four arrows. It is used for changing the location of the picture. Click on the picture and move it like this. We can also adjust this heading. So now it is perfect. As you can see, just as you click on picture, a new format tab will appear. I told you in the previous classes also, format tab contains all the tools and options which are related to any particular option. Like in this format tab, you will get all the options related to picture. अगर मैं पिक्चर में क्लिक नहीं करूँगी तो फॉर्मेट टैब शो नहीं होगा. जैसे मैं पिक्चर में क्लिक करूँगी तो यहाँ एक फॉर्मेट टैब आ जाएगा. With the help of format tab, we can adjust the effects of the picture. We can add different borders on a picture. Let's explore this option. Click on the format tab, and here you can see different types of borders for your picture. Okay, you can also add artistic effects by using this option. Okay, I'm not using any one of them, I'm just showing you. Let's choose this one. This is looking nice. Okay, then let's add a border. Let's choose this border. You can also insert different border colors by using this option. Let's first increase the thickness of the border. Click on this weights, and from here you can increase the thickness of the border. And after that, let's choose the color. Let's choose green color. It will complement our design also. So by this you can insert different types of pictures in your presentation. Let's add one more picture in the second slide. Again, click on insert, then click on pictures, click on desktop, and let's choose this picture. decrease its size, move it here, then you can add different types of border like this. Let's see the slideshow. You can also find the slideshow option on the status bar here. This is the slideshow option. You can also this option to see the slideshow. Let's click on this. As you can see the slideshow now, you can move your slide by using the arrow button, and you can end the slideshow by using the ESC button on your keyboard. So yes, now our slideshow is created. So our presentation is complete. You can add a thank you slide also at the end of the presentation. So I hope you must have understand all these things. Try this, and you can also insert pictures by using the mobile app also. So you can try it in your mobile as well. So take care everyone. Bye bye.